COVID-19 that was first reported from Wuhan, China on December 31, 2019. The Philippines has first encountered its first COVID-19 infection on January 30, 2020. A 30-year-old a 38-year-old female Chinese patient that came from the Wuhan and arriving at the Philippines, and then boom, suddenly it spreads quickly. At first, Filipinos were wearing face masks to prevent smelling the ashfall from the volcano eruption. The whole Philippines were intrigued by that eruption. What they didn't know is there is one disaster that there is one disaster that is more bigger than the volcano eruption, and that is the legendary COVID coronavirus or COVID-19. And by just a couple of weeks, Philippines have over 1,000 cases of COVID infection, and then schools have suspended classes and high level of lockdowns on Luzon has started. By just months, people have started to starve due to lack of income caused by the hard lockdown to prevent COVID-19 from spreading. 6 months later, most of the people are still locked inside their house because of loss of income of many people are starving. So the government conducted a program that is called Social Amelioration Program, or Ayuda in Tagalog. Its mission is to give 6,000 pesos each family that lost income, but that isn't enough. For some Filipinos to support their family to the fullest. Fast forward 1 year of lockdown, people are still locked in their houses. People started to get bored, depressed, stressed, have anxieties, and etc. Because of a long time being only in their house, some minors got addicted to online games to get rid of their boredom. But that hard pace of COVID-19 is, as you can see, slowly getting easier by each day, each week, each month, thanks to the people who are always obeying the safety protocols. Now that everything is going back to normal, let us not forget those hard times and make it as a moral lesson, so we will not be careless unless we want to go back to all those hard times again. And that is it, everyone. Welcome to the new normal, and let's get vaccinated to be safe, and God bless.